Hello, allow me to show you how to turn your pictures into a cartoon-like picture, and you can make this beautiful Dollar Tree cutting board. Okay, let's jump into new profile pic. You can use the free download by going to their website online. Choose your photo. I will be uploading a photo that I have of myself and a friend. Once you upload your photo, you can choose the different options they have to change your photo. We're going to click upload image. Let's go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. And here you can only drag and drop one picture at a time. So let's go ahead and drag and drop this picture. I kind of like that one anyway. So let's bring that in. Let's keep that complex. And we're going to leave everything the same. Apply, and you want to select print and cut and upload. Select your image and add to your canvas. You really want it to be 8.5 by 8 by 8. But if you look over to the right, you see a question mark that says, uh-oh, that will not work. Click on that. It's saying that my image is too large for 8.5 by 11. So they have detected that the shape for this size can only be 7.38 by 7.38. Which is a little bit small for me. Let's change our paper to 11 by 17. Let's hit done. When you look over here, you notice that it is no longer there. Let's go ahead and hit make it. Okay, so let's say you don't have paper that large, or your printer doesn't print that large. That is okay. That's why I like to go into Canva. Let's go to open up Canva. And let's create a design. And we want this design to be custom size, 8 by 8. Now let's go up here and just downsize this. Let's bring this picture over into upload. Here you go. And you can see what I've kind of added, a backdrop to it, and as well as a frame and some other little things here. So let me go ahead and center that. Just go back and position that in the center and middle. And let's do the same for our picture. Also, this is for my cutting board, the Dollar Tree cutting board. This is also the other one that I kind of went, but I kind of like this as well. So the next thing I do is I go ahead and I'll share. Then I'm going to come down to download. I always like to increase my size to a 2.5, and just so I can have good quality that I'm working with. Just hit done. and download. I like to open up my Word, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my Word prepared. So let's go ahead and hit create. So let me just go ahead and close this out. So in here, I'm going to work with this one. So I'm going to just drop that in the center. Let's go ahead and open this up and work in this. Click on your picture, go to picture format. Let's come over here and center it in on your folder. So this is good and center. So I'm going to click on this once more and go over to the top right, and I just want to make sure it's at 8 by 8. And I'm going to flip horizontal. We're all set. So we'll just go ahead and hit print. Hey guys, I'm super excited. I'm ready to do another tutorial on how to make the Dollar Tree cutting board. So here are some of the supplies. Of course, you're going to need the Dollar Tree cutting board. They come in size in squares, as well as they come in the circle. I am going to be working with the square here. First, you want to start with your image, and I design my image and cut it out. Design it in an 8 by 8. So let's go ahead and put this over here and away. Next, let's go ahead and prep. Oh, some of the supplies. I'm sorry. You would need to have Oracle 651 vinyl, some type of cutter. I'm going to use this cutter. If you have a Cricut Maker over there, you want to use your Cricut Maker, you can do that. But I'm just going to cut out an 8 by 8. You need some heat resistant tape, butcher paper, some type of towel to clean and dry off, as well as you will need some rapid tack. You don't have to use this, but it makes it a lot easier to use and to put that on. I'm going to have alcohol wipes to clean out the residue that's going to be on my little plate. Keep a pair of scissors handy, as well as what I'm going to have is these two items that I'm going to use to cut with. So let's get started. So I'm going to put my gloves on. I already did 2, and they should be nice and dry. And you can see on the other side our cutting board with the vinyl side face down. And I'm just going to center this in the middle. we're here, I'm using a pressing pillow and parchment paper at the bottom and parchment paper at the top. You can use parchment paper or butcher paper. I normally use butcher paper. Since I had parchment paper out, I went ahead and used that. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so you want to do medium to heavy pressure. So I'm going to set the timer for 90 seconds twice. Okay, so it's steaming hot there. I don't know if you can see that steam. I am moving this over. Oh yeah, you can still see the steam coming out. Okay, so we're gonna let that cool before we pull off, but it is very, very hot and you can see the steam. All I'm going to do is just try to take it and flip it over. Oh guys, that is so pretty. Oh, I love it. So we are cool, and it is cool to touch in this soap. Meanwhile, look how pretty, guys. It is so cute. So I have to just get all this paper off, and I think it came out so cute. Hey guys, remember this picture when I reversed, and you should not reverse when you're making the cutting board. So okay guys, I only did 30 seconds and it started lifting up. So let's see what happened. Aww. Isn't that cute? A little comic book. Oh, that's the ink. I think it came out cute. I am so in love with this. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think it came out so pretty.